Hello everyone, so today I'll be teaching you Power Query, how to use Power Query. So I'll be teaching you the transpose function and the unpivot column in Power Query. So let's get started. So we have this simple data here. I know some people might want to rearrange it and start dragging like this, but no, that is not a good way to do that. So first of all, I'm going to highlight my data. Then I go to my data tab. From table range, yes, my column has an header. So it's going to open my Power Query editor. Then you can see the data. First of all, I'm going to click anywhere or left click, then Control A to highlight all my data. I'm going to go to the Transform tab and transpose this. So once I transpose it, you can see I've already transposed it. Next, I'm going to click anywhere, left click and Control A, highlight all my data. Then I'm going to go to Unpivot Column. So once I click on my Unpivot Column, can you see this is just an easy way to do this. Next, I'm just going to remove this column, change this to either you can name it either values or numbers. So that's it. So if you want to learn how to do this deeply, you can send us a message or connect with us on LinkedIn or any other platform and reach out to us to learn more on data analysis.